Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 11th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it and transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Well, I've got to say, I'm looking at this Ethereum. This was a lovely, lovely bottoming pattern, and it died yesterday by going lower. And what a shame. That was really, really nice. Having said that, I have mentioned before that just because a pattern is really, really nice doesn't mean it actually heads off and makes target, and obviously this one didn't. Are we still potentially in a low area? Well, I got to say, I posted this area as the main support, and that really went down to about 800. We actually got down to 1754 earlier. Now, obviously, Ethereum's got bigger picture fundamental issues, but I'm wondering more about a bear market in crypto now. But what I would say is we've still got no real sign of that happening on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, obviously, we broke it down for a double top. We've made some progress we got down to about 76,000 yesterday. We've made this progress down to this this backtest target in the 69, 70,000 area, and the rising support, which I've got slightly below that. This is all in the zone. Until we break down through this zone, I'm skeptical that we are in a bear market on crypto. But I am aware that obviously crypto and equities are quite strongly linked, and I think we may well be about to go and do full bear market moves on all of the US indices, with IWM actually having reached 20% yesterday. We will see how that goes, but that could drag crypto down with it. But at the moment, this is not the sign of a bear market, in my view, not even close. This is just a backtest after broken resistance. So watching that carefully. But certainly this hasn't been a good week for crypto. No current positive divergence on the daily. We've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed on the hourly. And we're still holding this trend line here so far, but Bitcoin has been holding up the strongest. Looking at Solana, we actually managed to make a low yesterday at 112. Which is right at the this is in the important level here. This is the bull market flag low last summer, and that was at 110.02. We came back and basically backtested slightly above it. Going below that is a significant support break, and we are very, very close to that, and I'm expecting to see more downside on equities. So could we see a low form here? Yeah. Is this a bad looking double bottom? No. Do we have a lot of positive divergence here? Not really. We've got a possible RSI 14 buy signal brewing on the hourly chart. We've got nothing on the daily, and we've certainly got nothing on the weekly. It's we'll see. But I think overall, we are really, really hitting support here. And at the moment, I'm wondering if we might go through it. Yesterday's bottoming patterns, we still got a decent looking double bottom on Solana. On Bitcoin, we got a decent looking double bottom as well, actually. I'm skeptical about it making target, but could be. We will see how it goes here. But what I am expecting to see is a rally on equities and then probably more downside. I don't think the American government is showing any signs of changing course. That was really what yesterday's decline on equities is about. And so we're probably going to see more downside on that. Longer term, this does tend to go fairly closely with equities, so we're probably going to see more downside on crypto as well. But until we actually get below that area on Bitcoin, I'm skeptical about this being a bear market on Bitcoin. It doesn't. The 20% figure doesn't apply to crypto. We will see how it goes. All right, great. In that case, no questions. That's a wrap. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning, and we will see how it goes today, where I am expecting to see a rally really on both cryptos and equities. We'll see whether it can manage it. All right, cheers.